I'm Tom Baird, lead plumber for the entire district. We have just a high daily need for basic fix-its, maintaining faucets, toilets. We could literally service 20 of these a day if we needed or had to. So we stay extremely busy. It's just basic maintenance tasks for the most part. At times it can be the highest priority of priorities. The week of inclement weather, I came in every day for that, for some degree, to make repairs. But there was a lot of moving parts, make sure we could keep property damage to a minimum. We all have an extremely important role, I believe, for our future, and that's our students. So I just try to provide an environment where that's not a burden on our students and staff. They have to learn, they need to learn, and our teachers need to present a learning environment.